We really want to talk about content models, how content works across channels based on content models.
Content modeling really is the work of creating formal structures that represent content types, the elements from which those content types are composed, and the relationships of those elements to each other. The structure that's intuitive to us needs to be made explicit to machines.
Does the content have a clear goal? Is it random content on the website or something used for social media? Or can we actually map the customer experience impact of it?
Visual presentation is really likely to change frequently, where having that kind of underlying content model increases the longevity of the content that you're working with. Standards can still affect how you build content models. For example, if you're a healthcare organization and you need to share electronic health information, the healthcare standard HL7 is going to have some impact on how you model your content.
What can we do to make this more efficient? How can we reduce the internal cost and time? And how can we create further experiences from this source content?
Another key point here is identifying reusable content elements is also a way you can identify content itself that can be reused.
Start with where you are and what you have available. There are fancy tools for everything, but we can always start writing things down and move forward with it.
So using a content model would allow us to feed our content into the right places at the right time and get it pushed out faster and with more consistency.
We want our meaningful, useful content. We want to reduce our manual publishing, and we want less friction for our consumers and our customers.